Good morning, dear students. See, I am here. I have already written the title, 9th standard, A Truly Beautiful Mind. So, it's a very interesting lesson, detail that you should know. The detail that you should know, the detail that we shall know, a truly beautiful mind about a person. The lesson is about a person who is very well known all over the world, and that is Sir Einstein, Albert Einstein. Okay. Before you read, in the section before you read, who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Okay, we think like people, Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, and mostly we believe in Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, this kind of physics scientists. Okay. Mostly, even math scientists are very genius. So, who is genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Is it a only scientist who is a genius fellow, or is there anyone else who can be called as a genius person? No, it's not like that. Genius can be anyone. It's not that only a scientist is a genius. People in social work, in social field, they are also genius people. They are also genius people. Now, how they are called as genius? How? Just a minute. Little discussion. So, here we shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamic of moving bodies, and energy. Now see, 9th standard student, this is a little bit touch with science, and there are going to be scientific words that you need to go to the dictionary. So read the lesson. After my explanation, read the lesson, find out the difficult words and go through the dictionary, find out the meanings, and then read it again. Okay, I am going to explain the meaning, but to get the root meaning of the word, of the scientific word, you need to go to the dictionary yourself. Okay, that you will have to do. Surely you will do. His work took up, he was a German civilian, his work took up only a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos. Cosmos, the space related things, related with space, our relation with the space, galaxy, universe, and transformed the name Einstein into a synonym to genius. So it's a synonym to genius. Einstein is a genius. He is a genius. See, I don't know whether it is mentioned in this lesson. We'll go to this lesson, but I tell you what, why and how, why he must be called a genius. Why he must be called a genius. देखो बच्चों क्या होता है, Einstein said once in his lifetime, he has said many things. Once what happened, एक बार कुछ 4 मैथमेटिक्स के साइंटिस्ट आइंस्टाइन, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के पास आए, एंड सिंस मॉर्निंग अप टू इवनिंग 4 o'clock, 1 पेपर ओनली, एक पेपर था, एक थ्योरी थी जो उन्होंने आइंस्टाइन को समझाई. आइंस्टाइन वॉज ए साइंटिस्ट. They explained it to Einstein that this is how it is solved, and Einstein denied. Einstein said, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया what you did and how you did. 4 days they were doing this. After 4 days even Einstein said, if I cannot understand it, how can I accept it? So he was a simple believer. He was a simple believer. है ना? A scientist, if he is not understanding, that means while looking outward, he was very simple. His outward nature was very simple. वो बहुत simple देख लेता था. But while looking inward, he was a genius. He was a genius. How? I give you another example. Once Einstein said, जब वो थोड़ा सा बूढ़ा हो गया था, after in his ending days, आइंस्टाइन ने कहा कि if एक लोहे का टुकड़ा, आयन पीस ऑफ आयन, सपोज ये लोहे का टुकड़ा, पीस ऑफ आयन, ये पीस ऑफ आयन है, और एक फीदर, पीजन्स फीदर, एक कबूतर का पंख, अगर एक साथ छोड़ दिए जाए तो वो ज़मीन पे एक साथ ही आकर गिरेंगे. इज इट पॉसिबल? नॉट पॉसिबल. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ. So whole world said, all the scientists denied it. It is not possible anywhere in any place. Anywhere in any place. Albert Einstein was declared by the scientists that अभी ये scientist Albert Einstein has gone old. वो बूढ़ा हो गया है, उसकी मति मारी गई है. वो बूढ़ा हो गया, उसकी मति मारी, उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है अभी. नाउ ही इज़ नॉट, ही इज़ यूजलेस नाउ. उसका दिमाग कम चल रहा होगा बुढ़ापे की वजह से. दिस वॉज सेड अबाउट आइंस्टाइन. दिस वॉज सेड अबाउट आइंस्टाइन. नाउ व्हाई आई कॉल हिम जीनियस देन? few years before, 2-3 years before, the NASA scientists discovered that there is a planet in the galaxy. There is a planet in the galaxy whose construction is like an atom. The construction of that planet or situation on the planet is like an atom. How? तो एक प्लैनेट है जो यहाँ पे किसी सेंटर के आसपास घूम रहा है, उसका एक सैटेलाइट है और एक सैटेलाइट है. ऐसी कंडीशन में एक प्लैनेट है. सो इट्स लाइक एन एटम वेयर इन द गैलेक्सी. इन द गैलेक्सी एक प्लैनेट ऐसे इस तरीके से चक्कर लगाता है. अगर उस प्लैनेट पे खड़े रहे, द नासा साइंटिस्ट सेज, if somebody stands on that planet और एक कागज़ का टुकड़ा छोटा सा और एक आयन का टुकड़ा अगर एक साथ एक ऊंचाई से ड्रॉप करे तो वो धीरे धीरे एक साथ ही ज़मीन पर गिरेंगे. Now 2-3 years before it is said. And Albert Einstein lived so many back year, 1960 something, 1955, 1960, or till that time. That time NASA had no science to discover more about the galaxies, and Albert Einstein was a fellow, was a person जिसके लैब में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेन्स, बुक्स एंड नोटबुक्स, ये 3 ही चीज़ें थी. ना कोई हबल जैसी दूरबीन थी, नो टेलीस्कोप, नथिंग वाज देयर. ही वाज ए साइंटिस्ट. He was a scientist. So he is genius that the NASA's telescope was found 2-3 years before, that he wrote in his diary with a single blue pen, ink pen. That is the genius, that he could believe this can happen in the center of the atom. This can happen in the center of the atom. उसके सेंटर में ये हो सकता है, that he believed. Now atom is such a smallest thing, how he could go and enter in that atom and think what can happen at the center of atom? That is the geniusness. That is why I call it genius. So genius people are like this. Very, very true title given, beautiful mind, a beautiful mind. Albert Einstein is a beautiful mind. Okay. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still reigns. So after 50 years, 50 years, so this book is, this lesson is written sometime, up to that time, it is 50 years, okay, it is 50 years up to that time. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879. 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. So Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany, in the city Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. Albert was a freak. A freak means a person with disabilities, a person who is unusual. His look was unusual, his head and his mouth and everything, it was unusual when he was a child. So to her, his head seemed much too larger. His head was larger, bigger head part, this we are in shape, his head was like this, so it was bigger. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. At the age of 2.5, he was still wasn't talking. So at the age of 1, at least at the age of 1, children start talking, kaka, baba, mama, like this. So at up to 2.5, he wasn't talking. So when he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. And when he learned speaking, he uttered everything twice. He used to speak every word twice. So and see, such a child becomes a genius of the century. Genius of the centuries, not a century, centuries. So when he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngster played by himself much of time. So see, even in the friends, he was not able to mingle with the friends. He was not able to mingle with the friends. How to play with them, he did not know. Means he was not good at finding the logic of catching the ball, throwing the ball, playing with the bat, or whatever games and all. That time it might have existed. He was not able. So his friend used to call him Boring Brother. So Brother Boring means he is a boring fellow. See, Otto Niebuhr, the